What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Make money with HRC. Happy Sunday. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Before we go ahead and jump into the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and of course thumbs up, drop some comments. You already know what to do. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into some trades for today. I'm gonna do a couple on the demo and then head on over to the real account. So with that being said, I'm testing out the RSI and the MACD. So as you can see on my screen, the RSI is normally at 5. It's normally at 14, so I have it set at 5 right now, and I'll show you what the difference with the RSIs would look like. So if it's at 1, it looks like that. That's crazy, right? Now if, let's say we do 3, that's what 3 would look like. So it's kind of like, all right, you know, you have an idea of whether it's going up, down, but as you can see, it moves way too fast, right? Now 5, at least for me, is kind of like a sweet spot because it's literally like right in the middle of everything that's taking place. So if it's going up, it's gonna go up. If it's going down, it's gonna go down, right? Then we also have just going up so that way you guys can see the differences on how the RSI basically moves based on what's taking place with the candles. And of course, 10. $14. So normally it's at 14. I really don't mind it being at 14. However, I started looking at different RSI movements that I liked, so I went ahead and I started sticking with the 5. Now, as usually, you know, if it's over the 70, price got to go down, it's going to drop. So with that, if it's overbought, it's going to be up here. If it's underbought, it's going to be down here. And the indicators, like I explained the last time, the green basically is telling you that you need to go up on your trade. The red is telling you that you need to go down on your trade. Right now I'm looking at Apple, and I basically have them set on different time frames. So this is basically saying that it's going to take 1 minute for the candle here to go ahead and break. Now see what's taking place. It's going down. So even though I went in for a buy because my indicator is telling me to go for a buy, here it is now. This might not close out in my favor with the market basically like consolidating the way it is. So we're gonna watch it, see what it does. But a lot of times I like to do the 1 minute if I just want to get a quick in and out and make some profits, or I'll do 3 minutes or 2 minutes. So let's see. So that was a nice win based off of that one. But here it is now. I have an indication saying that it's going down. When I look at the RSI on the 5 minute, it's basically saying that it's still going up. So that to me would be a false signal. So let's check out another one. Home Depot hasn't been hitting at all today like that. All right, Bank of America. Bank of America's on the up and up. So I'm gonna wait for this candle here to close out. Once it closes out, then I'll go ahead and I'll jump back in. So here it is on USJPY, showing that it's going down. And I'll I'll buy. That was an extremely long candle. So let's see. What was it? Bank of America it was. Alright, we're gonna go up on that. And I'm still trading $5 because, of course, you know, I'm on the demo account. Once I actually switch over to my actual account, then I'm gonna do some like dollar trades at that point. So far we have what, one trade that was won. Let's see if Bank of America is gonna make it 2. Yep, Bank of America is more likely gonna make it 2. And this is literally all on the 1 minute candlesticks. I'm sorry, 1 minute of purchase time. Ooh, JPY, what you got going on here? Alright, perfect. So that was in the bag. So we're 2 for 2 at this point in time. Well, I'm sorry, we're 2 and 1. Alright, so this I probably wouldn't trade. I probably wouldn't trade again on the USJPY, only because it's so close to the moving average line. I try to trade it if it's all the way down or if it's all the way up, but right now it's literally like right in the line. So yeah, I'm probably not going to be trading USJPY for the rest of the day. However, if I were to go ahead and take a trade from here to here, I probably could have put it on the 2 minutes, and by the time it landed over here on at the 2 minute of the candle, it would have closed it out in my favor. So yeah, we're just gonna let USJPY do what it do. I definitely wouldn't be trading that for the rest of the day. All right, so back to Apple. So here it is. Apple's still going up and up. All the signals, MACD saying that it's going up. The RSI has it that it's going up. And I'm just gonna wait till that candle's finished forming just to see where the market's actually doing. All right, Home Depot, same thing. BOA. All right, so BOA is saying that it's on a down. And of course, here it is, it's in the middle. MACD is also saying that it's on the downs. So we go ahead and we can put that in. We change it to 14. Got me right in the middle. All right, but so let's go ahead. Oh, let me finish. Go back. All right, so I'm gonna let this finish so we can see. So demo, I think we won 2, lost 1. And literally, guys, it's just, you know, working on something that's gonna make sense for you. I've watched a ton of other people's videos and, you know, seen how they do what they do. All right, so we got 3 for 1 with the demo. Let's go ahead and take it over to the live. Ooh. So yeah, definitely not trying to risk $5. So let's go ahead and switch that over to $1 there. And we're still gonna keep it on the 1 minute time frame. So on my time frame, 1 minute purchase time, also 1 minute. Gonna wait for that candle there to close out. Home Depot, definitely not trading that. As you can see, there's really no breakout so far on Home Depot. And then Apple, still on the up and up. Go back to BOA. Bank of America look like it's about to be on the up and up. So I'm just gonna wait to see what it does. Let me go ahead, switch this back to 5. All right, so yeah, let's see. All right, let's see if it's still gonna be on the downs. And here it is, we're back to, our moving average. So we actually want it to be away from the moving average whenever we're trading. So that I'll put in for. Right. And literally, guys, this is what I've just been doing when it comes to like testing out different things. The gentleman's video that I've been watching also is presidential, I think it is. Presidential something. And he basically just goes over a lot of different strategies, and some that works for him might not work for me. So I'm just trying to find one that would actually work for myself, and this one's a win. So that's awesome. And I'm not gonna lie, a lot of times I've been on here with the live account, and sometimes the brokers, I don't know if it's a glitch in the system, but I've seen where it's closed out literally, but for some weird reason it comes up and it says that I lost. I've actually had a gentleman express the this would be a nice little catch going up. He actually expressed that that he actually got robbed out of some options. So just be careful with the broker that you're using. You know that nothing is in a sense permanent, but let's just be mindful that they're gonna do what they gotta do to make sure that they win most of the time, depending on the broker that you're using. So definitely just be mindful of that. Trying to see if I can find anything that has a nice setup. Markets aren't open yet. There's JPY, which we already have. Ooh, CAD, that's actually pretty nice. If you check this out, this is basically saying that all this should have been a buy, but here it is. All of it is on, a sell. So definitely a lot of just watching the market, watching to see what your indicators are doing to make sure that you make the best choice possible. So now here it is showing that everything's going to be on the up and up. And let's see. All right, so everything's on the up. This is on the up. RSI is on the up. All right, bet. All right, let's see how this one closes out. I'm not gonna lie, I've grown to love the 1 minute candles. The 2 minute candles, I've noticed that 2 and 3 minutes I'm always gripping my teeth. I'm not, sometimes same thing with the 1 minute, because a lot of times it'll revert, and it's like, damn, if I had that extra minute, you know, I would have been able to get it. But so far, yeah, every time I trade, I just keep it to a minute purchase time, and that has been working very well for me. So I'll definitely be seeing you guys in the next video. Yeah, I'm just out here trying to figure out this whole pocket option thing a little bit more. And of course, today was $1 trade, so next video we'll see if we get a little bit ballsy, you know, take it to that $2 max or $5 max. But thank y'all so much for joining me in another video. I'll see you guys in the next video, where it's still gonna be the same thing, you know, just going over different trade options. And I'll also be testing out another method that I have in mind, so hopefully that method also works. But definitely shout out to, I'm gonna get his name, Presidential something, because I loved his strategy that he had. I just went ahead, fine-tuned it to, you know, something that's gonna work for me. So definitely, guys, see y'all in the next video. Howdy.